Hello everyone. Welcome back to Popcorn Portal Official. Today we're embarking on a profound exploration into the teachings and practices of Buddhism. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or someone curious about this ancient wisdom, this video aims to be a comprehensive introduction to Buddhism. Buddhism, founded by Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha, over 2,500 years ago, has since become a global spiritual path. Today, we'll unravel the core beliefs, practices, and the philosophy that has inspired millions. Core tenets. At the heart of Buddhism are the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. The Four Noble Truths address the nature of suffering, its cause, the possibility of its cessation, and the path leading to its end. The Eightfold Path. The Eightfold Path serves as a guide for ethical and mental development. It includes right understanding, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. Concept of karma and rebirth. Buddhism teaches the concept of karma, the law of cause and effect, where one's actions have consequences. Rebirth, or the cycle of samsara, involves the continuous cycle of birth, death, and rebirth until enlightenment is achieved. The Middle Way. The Buddha emphasized the middle way, a balanced approach to life avoiding extremes. This path encourages moderation in all aspects, including thought, speech, and action. Buddhist scriptures. Buddhism has a vast collection of scriptures, with the Tripitaka being the primary canon. It includes the sutras, Vinaya, and Abhidharma, preserving the teachings and rules for monastic life. Buddhist practices. Buddhist practices include meditation, mindfulness, and ethical living. The goal is to cultivate wisdom, compassion, and awareness to attain enlightenment or nirvana. Misconceptions. Like any religion, Buddhism is subject to misconceptions. Let's address a few. 1. Escapism. Buddhism doesn't promote escaping from reality but transforming one's relationship with it. 2. Idol worship. While there are statues and symbols, Buddhists don't worship them, they serve as aids for focus and inspiration. 3. Atheism versus spirituality. Buddhism's focus on personal experience doesn't necessarily negate spirituality, it offers a unique perspective on the divine. Buddhism's impact. Buddhism has had a profound impact on art, philosophy, and culture across Asia. It has influenced practices like meditation and mindfulness embraced worldwide. Unity in diversity. Buddhism has various traditions, including Theravada, Mahayana, and Vajrayana, each with its unique practices and interpretations. Understanding this diversity is key to appreciating Buddhism fully. As we conclude our exploration of Buddhism, remember that this video only scratches the surface. Buddhism offers a deep well of wisdom for those willing to dive in and explore. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others seeking knowledge, and subscribe for more content. Thank you for joining us on Popcorn Portal Official. Until next time, may your journey towards enlightenment be filled with peace and understanding.